landslide occurred and blockage arose between Longkim Town to Lirishe village. Special fare concession for students announced in Zunipado town. Assam floods escalate, impacting over 61,000 people. Nagaland documentary headhunting to beatboxing debuts at Melbourne Film Festival. Hello viewers, this is Stacey Urio and you're watching NLTV Prime Time in English, the news in details. As we all know, on 19 August, all over India, Raksha Bandhan and last day of Sawan is celebrated all over India by the Hindu community. On Raksha Bandhan, the sister is the Rakhi to her brother from any kind. Whereas Sawan also significant because it coincides with the monsoon season, which brings relief and rejuvenation to nature. Devotees believe that worshipping Lord Shiva during this period helps and purifies the soul, gaining divine blessings and seeking forgiveness for past sins.
Acha to sir, aji idu Raksha Bandhan ase aru Sawan nabi last din ase. So how are you planning to celebrate and how are you feeling?
पहला तो NLTV लगा धन्यवाद जनाई आसे तेखान कोते कोते पूरा विचारी के नहीं आते मंदिर थे आइसे थैंक यू वेरी मच आज जी तो सावन लगा लास्ट मंडे आसे एवरी मंडे हमी खान भगवान शिवला का पूजा करे ओले भी आज तो लास्ट आसे क्योंकि रेस्ट भी बेसी था कीजे देवटी खान बेसी आइसे ओले भी सब स्मूथली पूरा हो जाइसे सेकेंडली आज रक्षाबंधन भी आसे तो रक्षाबंधन मीन्स तो भाई खान तो बहनी के की बा धागा दिशे टाइट करे ये तो लगा मीन्स भाई तो बहनी लगा रक्षा करिबो ते होल लाइफ रक्षा करिबो कोई केने एकटा पर्ण करे तो ये तो आमी खान हिंदू भीतर बेसी डांगर फेस्टिवल आसे तो ये तो आज आमी खान 134 सेलिब्रेट करिबो ये तो किबा बदला हिसाब से ये तो किबा थाके आमी खान सिस्टम थाके हिंदू मैथोलॉजी हिसाब से तो 134 ये तो राखी लगा तो त्योहार तो आज आसे
अच्छा तो अपने भाई इधर रक्षा बंधन तो की करने सेलिब्रेट क्री दिशे तो इधर सावन पे की करने सेलिब्रेट क्री तो हाईलाइट क्री दिवो
आमी तो चंदू अग्रवाल आसे ये दुर्गा मंदिर लगा आमी तो सेक्रेटरी आसे और ये पवन महेश्वरी तो प्रेसिडेंट आसे आमी खान ये तो सावन लगा फेस्टिवल तो सिंस द ये मंदिर आमी खान 1928 ते स्टार्ट करा टाइम पूरा भी एवरी मंथ तो सावन ते आमी खान ये भगवान लॉर्ड शिवा लगा पूजा करी थाके और एज पर द हिंदू कैलेंडर सावन इज द 4th month एंड ये तो 28 days तो 30 days थाके एंड इट इज बिटवीन मिड जुलाई टू अगस्त लास्ट एने का थाके और एतु दिन तो सावन मास ते मंडे किमान हाइबो एतु दिन लगा लॉर्ड शिवा लगा पूजा करिले तो आमी खान ब्लेसिंग तो बेसी पाबो एने का आमी खान लगा बेदास पूरा एने का कोई गेन आसे तो आमी खान बेसी डाइबोटे और आज तो सावन लगा लास्ट दिन होई गेने आसे और लास्ट दिन सावन दे होइले आमी खान रक्षा बंधन भी सेलिब्रेट करे एतु दिन तो बिनी खान भाई लगा घुरते जाई गेने एतु हाथीते एकता राखी बांधे थ्रेड टाइट करे एंड भाई तो ताइगे इन रिटर्न कोई ताई किमान लाइफ ते ताई किबा भी दिगदार ना पाबो और ताई तो ताई लगा लाइफ तो एकदम पूरा प्रोटेक्शन करिबो ताई कोते थाकी बेले एने का एकटा कमिटमेंट आसे और ये तो स्टार्ट हुआ तो फर्स्ट ये तो सीता माता द वाइफ ऑफ द रामा फर्स्ट वेंट टू लॉर्ड बाली एंड ही टाइड द राखी फर्स्ट सो इट इज प्रिजर्व दैट बहनी जाएगे ने भाई लगा घुरते राखी बांधी से तो आमी खान लगा एने का आसे बहनी जाएगे ने राखी भाई लगा घुरते जाएगे ने बांधीबो लागे एने का आसे होले भी टाइम लगा कंसेंट आसे भाई लोग भी हाई थाके बांधी थाके सिंस देन एतु तो आमी खान राखी लगा फेस्टिवल तो सेलिब्रेट करी आसे एतु बुरा रक्षाबंधन लगा और दूसरा फेज भी आसे एतु एज पर द सनातन धर्म आमी खान सब की रिलीजियन होले की कास्ट होले भी छोटो दांगोर की होले भी एक दूसरा राखी दिन लगा एतु टाइट बांधिले कुन बांधिबो ताई लगा आमी खान प्रोटेक्शन करिबो और ताई खान लगा किबा भी दिगदार पड़ले लाइफ साको अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सिस्टर्स एंड इट कैन बी बिलोंग टू एनी ऑफ द रिलीजियन सो वी सेलिब्रेट रक्षा बंधन इन ए बिग वे and we are celebrating this year and today is the last day and we thankful to Nagaland TV for coming and making a coverage of this so that this message will go and I extend my heartiest Raksha Bandhan greetings to one and all. Thank you.
Okay, so sir, like how are you feeling itu festival celebrate kora to?
एतु हिंदू माइथोलॉजी हिसाब से तो बेसी डांगर फेस्टिवल आसे स्पेशली शिव भगवान लगा एतु सावन मास तो मिखा ने एज आई स्टेड अर्लियर पूजा तो एवरी मंडे करे बेसी भालपुरा करे स्पेशली कपल खाना आई के ने भी सेपरेट आइटे नहीं भगवान शिव के तू जल तू पानी तो ऑफर करे दूध लाली के ना पानी तो शिव भगवान की ऑफर करे और ये तू पूरा शिव भगवान तू ब्लेसिंग दे আমি শিব ভগবান লাগতে রিকোয়েস্ট তো পূজা করি আছে প্রার্থনা করি আছে পুরা নাগাল্যান্ডতে সব पर ভালপুরা থাকি भी सब ठीक থাকি भी कोई के ना सबके ब्लेसिंग देवी कोई के नहीं भगवान की पूजा करी আছে थैंक यू
Okay, sir, again lastly, like on account of this festival na, to amni भी viewers kan ge ki message to them muna se?
मैसेज तो सब भाई को कहीं नीचे नहीं था कि वो लगे कौन होले भी की जाति होले भी की धर्म होले भी सब एक ही आसे आते था का तो नागालैंड हो भी दूसरी जगह हो भी भालपुरा था कि भी एक दूसरा की हेल्प करी भी ये तो ही मैसेज आसे
जो ডিমাপুরতে আমি খান অবজার্ভ করাতে একটা ইউনিটি আছে এক ইউনিকনেস আছে এইটো যে মেনি ইন্ডিয়া আছে ইয়াতে কোন ধর্ম লাগা কি ফেস্টিভেল হলে বি আমি খান সব এক লগতে মিলি কেনে সেলিব্রেট করে এটো তো লাগা বিউটি আছে আৰু আমি খান রিলিজিয়ন নাম পুরা ডিমাপুরতে স্পেশালি নাগাল্যান্ডে একো বি কনফ্লিক্ট নাই ক্রিসমাস হলে ঈদ হলে আৰু হিন্দু লাগা কিবা ফেস্টিভেল হলে সব মানুহ খান আহি কেনে সেলিব্রেট করে দিস ইজ দ্য বিউটি এন্ড মই ঈশ্বর পুরা এইটো appeal kori ase tai pura request kori ase tai laga enekai blessing ami khan Nagaland laga citizen upurte thake so that ami every caste every religion every creed to enekai oneness pura brotherhoodness and pura and whole life thake aru Nagaland te joldi kori gene ekdom shanti peace ulai dile ami khan aru bi bhal pabo etui ami khan ishwar pura request.
The documentary Headhunting to Beatboxing, produced by Grammy Oscar and BAFTA winner Dr. A.R. Rahman, premiered at the International Film Festival in Melbourne, highlighting Nagaland's cultural heritage. Rahman received the Excellence in Cinema Award at the event. Key attendees included Abu Mehta, advisor to Nagaland's Chief Minister, and Teja Meru, TAFMA chairman, who served as executive producers. Mehta promoted the Hornbill Festival and thanked Rahman for supporting Naga youth. The premiere drew notable industry figures like Imtiaz Ali, Rajkumar Hirani, Karan Johar, and Ram Charan. In a recent coordination meeting held on 12 August, the Zunheboto Town Council and the Taxi Union have agreed to introduce a special fare concession for students in uniform. Starting from 19 August 2024, students will receive 10 rupees discount on taxi fares within Zunheboto Town. The decision, announced by Chairman K. Herato Sukalu, aims to ease transportation costs for students. This initiative reflects the Council's commitment to supporting education and making commuting more affordable for young learners. Due to a heavy rainfall from last few days, a heavy landslide blockaged the main road between Longkim Town to Lirise village on August 17 under Tuensang district, which affected the citizens of Lirise village and general public under the jurisdiction of Longkim subdivision. Floods in Assam have worsened, impacting 61,679 people across 4 districts. Sivasagar is the worst hit, with 47,768 affected, followed by Chariadio, Dibrugarh and Thimaji. The floods have destroyed 6,122.5 hectares of crops and affected 18,631 animals. Over 13,500 people are in relief camp or centers. Guwahati faces urban flooding in areas like Sijubarai and Banjabari, and the Disang River in Sivasagar is above danger levels. No new deaths have been reported, keeping the total at 106. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma met West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose in Guwahati, praising him for upholding the constitution in challenging circumstances. They discussed the ongoing situation in West Bengal following the alleged rape and murder of a woman doctor and development in Bangladesh. A group of Assam doctors also met the governor, demanding justice for the medic's murder and seeking better safety for medical professionals. Governor Bose assured them of legal action and promised to raise their concerns with the Prime Minister and other key officials. Amid growing outrage over the alleged rape and murder of a medical trainee in Kolkata, the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the case, scheduling a hearing for August 20. Junior doctors in states including West Bengal and Delhi remained off duty, disrupting healthcare services for the 10th consecutive day. Former RJ Kar Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh appeared before the CBI, while Kolkata police summoned TMC MP Sukhendu Sekhar Roy and former BJP MP Lokesh Chatterjee for allegedly spreading rumors. The victims' parents voiced concerns about the handling of their daughter's body and called for justice over 70 Padma awardee. Doctors have urged Prime Minister Modi to enact a special law to protect healthcare workers. Raksha Bandhan is a significant festival in India that celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. Many prominent Indian politicians participated the celebrations, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who sends out warm wishes and messages emphasizing familial bonds and unity. Home Minister Amit Shah also participates in events, sharing greetings and celebrating with family and close associates. Other politicians like Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee also shared heartfelt messages and extended greetings to their supporters and the people of West Bengal, respectively. This festival is an opportunity for politicians to connect with their constituents and celebrate the importance of family ties.
Messages and supporters and the people of West Bengal, respectively. This festival is an opportunity for politicians to connect with their constituents and celebrate the importance of family ties. Raksha Bandhan is a significant festival in India that celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. Many prominent India politicians participated in the celebrations, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who sends out warm wishes and messages emphasizing families' bond and unity. Home Minister Amit Shah also participates in events, sharing greetings and celebrating with family and close associates. Other politicians like Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee also shared heartfelt messages and extend greetings to their supporters and the people of West Bengal, respectively. This festival is an opportunity for politicians to connect with their constituents and celebrate the importance of family ties. Raksha Bandhan
A court in Thane, Maharashtra has sentenced 4 individuals to 7 years in prison for assaulting a woman in 2018 while she sought repayment of money her late husband lent to the factory owner. Additional Sessions Judge G.G. Pansali, in a ruling on August 19, discharged the factory owner from the case due to insufficient evidence. The Indian government has filed an affidavit with the Supreme Court arguing that the practice of triple talaq is harmful to the institution of marriage and violates women's fundamental rights. The government claims that despite the Supreme Court's 2017 ruling against the practice, it continues to occur and therefore stricter laws are needed to protect Muslim women. The government is seeking to justify its laws criminalizing triple talaq, arguing that it is necessary to protect Muslim women's rights and prevent the practice from continuing. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has ordered protesting doctors to immediately end their strike over the rape and murder of a young doctor in Kolkata and return to work. Doctors statewide had halted services except for emergencies as part of a nationwide protest. The court also issued notices to various medical associations after a petition requested their involvement. The Junior Doctors Association assured the court that they would withdraw their strike. The court urged the association to resume duties, noting the state's commitment to ensure the safety of healthcare providers. The next hearing is set for August 20, during the Indian Medical Association will present its response. Maratha Koda activists confronted NCBSP Maharashtra Chief Jayant Patil during the party's Chief Rajya Yatra in Badnapur, demanding clarity on the party's stance regarding reservations for Marathas in jobs and education. Patil, accompanied by Lok Sabha MP Amol Kolhe and MLA Rajesh Top, faced similar protests in Ganaswangi, near the heart of the Maratha Koda movement, led by activist Manoj Jaranki. During the Pokardan event, the crowd began chanting slogans preventing Patil from delivering his speech. He concluded by stating that Dope had spoken well, admonished the crowd for indiscipline, and criticized them for aiding BJP leader Rao Sahib Danve. The Philippines has reported a new case of the Mpox virus, the first since December 2023. The patient is a 33-year-old Filipino male with no travel history outside the country. The Department of Health is awaiting test results to determine the strain. The World Health Organization recently declared Mpox a global public health emergency due to an outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The new variant is causing global concern as it spreads easily through close contact. This case in the Philippines marks the 10th confirmed case since the first was reported in July 2022. Symptoms began over a week ago with fever, followed by distinct rash. Mpox can cause flu-like symptoms and BuzzFeed lessons with higher risk for children, pregnant women, and individuals with weakened immune systems. This is all we have in the English Primetime News. For more news and updates, keep watching NLTV.